The Clarke CDP5EB 5-speed bench-mounted engineer's drill press is ideal for the hobby or DIY user. It features a depth gauge and a height-adjustable cast iron tilting table. This 160mm square table is machined with slots to help clamp your workpiece. The 13mm chuck is mounted via a B16 taper, which also permits the use of taper shank drill bits. The chuck is covered by a flip-up safety guard and also features a no-voltage release switch should the mains power fail. A front-mounted reference chart has an accurate depth measurement scale, which also shows the 5 available drilling speeds. These are easily adjusted from 620 to 2620 RPM to suit plastic, metal and wood by lifting up the belt guard and swapping the belt onto the appropriate drive pulleys. With its tilting work table, depth gauge, 5 speeds and 13mm chuck, the Clarke CDP5EB drill press will give you many years of reliable service.